In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Dao360.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and simply type CMD. Click Run as Administrator option on the right pane. Type SFC space /scan now. This will scan for and fix any system corrupted files. Scan now just one word and hit enter. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once this is 100% completed, type exit in the command prompt window and restart your Windows. Right click at the start button, shutdown or sign out and restart. Then update your Windows. Click on the Start button and go to Settings for the next method. Click on Windows Update on the left pane and simply click the button right here to download and install the latest updates for your Windows 11 that comes with the necessary files that your machine needs. Then, check for your system type. Click on System Information search for System Information in the Windows search bar. Take note of your system type and then open a browser. Search for Visual C++ redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and you have to click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply once downloaded, you have just to click the folder icon. Double click and simply install the Visual C++ on your Windows 11. If you have already installed it, you simply click on repair. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.